Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm at our newest listing, 5322 Tanner Bridge Road. This home has it all. I'm so excited for you guys to take a look at this one. It's a ranch style home, so you have main level living, 2-car garage on the main, plus a 3rd garage with a driveway down below in the basement. Also, it has been completely updated. It's beautiful inside. An in-ground swimming pool. You are not going to believe the view outside in the backyard. Also, it's 4 bedrooms, beautiful open floor plan, great master suite, tons of closet space. It has it all. So come on in and take a look inside.